Our friends at 49th and Market have a brand new collection. As you can see right here, it's called Vintage Artistry Essentials. Now this is the 12 by 12 collection. I'm going to show you everything that goes with it. There are 8 double-sided papers. What's nice is that nothing goes to waste. You can see they usually have a collage look, and this is no exception. Now because this is essentials, the color palette is a warm sienna, tan, cream color, so it's going to go with so many things. And as you can see, this is another. And the thing about the bottom of theirs is that these are actually larger than 12 by 12. So when you turn it over, you're going to see that you can use this. Just trim it off and it's going to be useful in your in your paper crafting, whatever you decide to do. So there are 4 of these sheets, and each one, as you can tell, is very different and very lovely, as you can see. Then there are also, there are 8 of the double-sided papers, so there we go. Sometimes there's been 4, so having 8 is really nice. Isn't that gorgeous? Really, really pretty. Backside. And this one, I love the dark color. I think it's just stunning. And then this one, you could even cut up if you wanted to, but it is quite pretty all by itself. Then in addition, there are a total, in fact, I'm going to get white under here so you can see this a little better. There are 47 laser cut pieces. Now these will just pop right out. They are intricately cut with a beam of light, one of our favorite things. And as you can see, they're good size. Some of them are smaller, but there's some really nice size ones. Story, Grow. And then the other sheet is right here. So you get 2 sheets, as I said, a total of 47 die cuts. They're all laser cut, which means you're right along the edge of the artwork. There's no extra there. It just cuts perfectly, so just gorgeous. Now, there is the 12 by 12, but there's also a second pack. Same artwork. This is a 6 by 8 collection, and this is very different for 49 and Market. But what I love about the company is they're often doing brand new things. So with this, you're going to have 32 sheets. You get the same 8 designs, but you're going to get 4 of each one. So I'll just go through the ones so you can see them. Very pretty, as you would expect. And this 6 by 8 size has another meaning that I'll show you in a little bit. So there we go. So here are all of them. So lights and darks so that they will play together nicely. Now, have I just duplicated these? Yeah, so here we go. There we go. That's all of them. Then you're going to get a total of 82 lasers. And I'll show you both of these sheets because you're going to get 4 of each one. Wow. Now, of course, being in the 6 by 8 size, these are scaled down to fit on the surface. But this is just a treasure, just really, as is all of their work. So that's one. Now, let me show you the things that are going to coordinate with them. And something else that's brand new are these. And I'm going to get out my white again. These are laser cut plastic art, and because these aren't they just gorgeous? Because they are the Essentials collection, they're going to be useful for just so many things. So you're going to get butterflies, you're going to get leaves, so you can just see. Again, they are in neutral colors and just stunning. So if I were to put this on the 6 by 8 sheet, there you can see that. Just beautiful. I love the mottled look of them. So there are a total of 38 pieces in this collection. And like I said, there's a lot of leaves, butterflies to go with them. Okay, so that's there. Now there's also, 49 and Market started doing rub-ons, a couple years ago, but they've really even grown more. So now they have 6 sheets per package. There's now a plastic tool included, and I'll just walk you through these again in the tans and the greens, so really pretty. So that's 2, that's 4, so you can see the illustrations as well as kind of these splotchy looks. Very fun for doing mixed media. And also this one with some words: discover, caught on camera, friends for life, never alone, just some really nice things. Okay, something else that they have this time are the baubles and trinkets. It used to be baubles and something else that started with a B. These are they're epoxy coated. They are stickers, but they have dimension to them. Again, you can see the colors. So Steve, can we get a little bit closer to see this? They're just really nice. So wish, life, best, hello, love, and you can see those butterflies as well. The other thing about their packaging, if you hopefully notice, is that this backing sheet, you can use that for a card base too, so that's a nice bonus. Okay, something else that's new for them are these chipboard stickers. Now, there are 33 here, and they are on a board, and so they're a little thick, and they are self-adhesive, being stickers, so that is new. In addition, this is different. This is washi tape, and there are 2 sheets in here, and it's not the washi tape that you would think of that would be in a strip. Rather, this is a whole sheet, so you can just pull this out, cut out what parts you want, and it's self-adhesive, and it will just stick to your project. Lots of possibilities here. Again, it's double-sided, so, or 2 pieces are included. Now, there's a few more things, and these are die cuts. They call them mix and match. There are 58 pieces, and I opened up the package just to show you a few of the pieces. So we've got printed on a gray, we've got it like this. We also, again, it is to be an essential to be every day. So this is ephemera. Oh, okay, this little guy pops out, and you'll have a frame as well as that butterfly. Flower seeds, this is just, ephemera is the perfect name for it. So just lots of beautiful art and beautiful pieces that you can play with. And in fact, you've got this large piece as well as these others. You can see some has just fallen, and some looking very vintage, like this torn envelope. So there are 58 pieces. Some of them are larger, some of them are smaller. So that's not a small one, is it? But some of them are smaller, like this one. So that works nicely. Now, in this die cut collection, there are some frames, and so the frames come in 2 sizes. This is a 3x4 frame, and this is a square frame, so it's more like about 4x4 and smaller. Now, what these have in them are the little pieces. The little tabs can be separate, but one of the features is that you can use them horizontally or vertically, and you can write on here. As you can see, I hope you can see, there's some faux stitching right there, and this has kind of a modeled look to it. So again, very useful. Frame a cutting die, frame dazzles, frame a photo. You can just do lots of things, and I thought it was nice that there were 2 sizes with the square and the rectangular, like that. Now, I did mention that there's a reason why they have the 6x8, and let me just pull out one of the 3 kind of albums that they have. So this is an essential binder, and inside you can see how beautiful it is with the hardware as well as the corner reinforcements. But inside there are pages, and the pages will accept the 6x8 paper. And let me just open this up. So this is one of 2 of the binders. This one has a craft color on the papers. You can see it's a 6-ring binder. It has pockets. It has flaps that pop open. Just lots of fun things. There are tab sections with heavy board in it, as well as sheet protectors. And it's just really nice. There's an even edition of a waterfall envelope that you can get. So this type of album, and there is another album that is this size that has many of the same things inside. I'll do that on a separate product video, but I just wanted you to know that those 6x8 have another reason. So lots of gorgeous things in this collection of vintage artistry essentials.